Hello student, this is Sagarika Mahanti. Welcome to business studies classes. So, what is the meaning of business studies? So, this paper is related to we are study about the business. So, what is the meaning of business? Business is buying and selling of all those goods and services for earning money. So, it is related to earn profit. So, our first chapter is evolution and fundamentals of business, and our topic is introduction, that is human activities. Okay, so what is the meaning of human activities? So human activities basically related to those activities which are done by the human beings, and such activities are gives the human satisfaction or give some money to earn. So here is about the activities, and business activities can be broadly classified into two major categories. One is economic activities and another is non-economic activities. Okay, so now we are talk about the economic activities. So here the word meaning is economic. Economic is related to economy. Okay, so economy is related to what? Money. So here the economic activities means it is related to money, or in simply we can call that it undertakes those activities to earn money. Okay, like this, what is the meaning of non-economic activities? Those activities, non-economic activities are basically those activities. So those non-economic activities are basically those activities which are related to satisfy human wants. And as we know that human wants in economics are unlimited. So such human wants may be your social needs, maybe your emotional needs, or maybe psychological needs. So here the meaning about the economic activities and non-economic activities. Now discuss about the examples of economic activities and non-economic activities. So here we can say that one of the examples of economic activities may be teacher teaching at school. That means he or she what? Get payments for this. And another example may be doctor attending his patient. That means he get fee for this. And workers working in the factory, etc. So like this, non-economic activities may be your teacher teaching his own son, or doctor treating earthquake victims for free. So here is all about the free, and here is about to earn something. That means you spend money. That means you can say that here you can spend money. Spend money and earn money. But in case you can spend money but not earn money. Okay, so it is all about the economic activities and non-economic activities. These activities we can more understandable through the comparison chart. So here this is about the comparison chart. So now basis we can say that objective. So the objective of economic activity is the prime objective of is to earn money. And here as we know that here the prime objective is to get satisfaction. Okay, our second difference may be money measurement. So that means it is related to money, but it is not measured in terms of money. So our third point is example. What is the example economic activities? Like our related to activities related to production, consumption, distribution, investment, and last one may be your exchange. So here example will be your societal activity, social activities, your parental activities, religious activities, or maybe your societal, parental activities and religious activities, and there may be your charitable activities, etc. Here another point may be result in economic activities is result in creation of wealth and asset, because it is related to monetary term, and non-economic activities is related to result in satisfaction and happiness. So next point will be national income. As this is related to money, so it adds the value to the national income in the country. National income to the economy of the country. But as it does not involve in the monetary term, so it does not affect the national income in the economy. Now we are discuss about the types of economic activities. So economic activities is broadly categorized into three major categories. One is business, second is profession, and last is employment. So what is business? Business means we can shortly write over here that it involves providing goods and services to earn profit. Here the major objective of doing business is to earn profit. Now we are talking about the profession. It involves providing personalized services to earn fees. Okay, here the major point is to earn fees, and the last one is employment. Employment involves performing activities. Here the business, that means to earn profit, and profession, that means to earn fees, and in employment you earn salaries. So now we have discussed first our first category of the economic activities, that is business. As the name suggests, over here the business, it related to busyness. Okay, so it is the concept of business may be the state of being busy in which activities? In economic activities. Okay, so as we know that business is related to exchange of goods and services to earn profit. So here the definition may be, as a definition over here, according to the Lewis H. Hannon, business may be defined as human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling goods. So as per the definition, it indicates that business is related to producing something or acquiring something, or what, acquiring something wealth through buying or selling of goods. So it is related to buying and selling, that means it related to exchange of goods. And as the above definition, that means it based on the above definition, business may be defined as what? Business refers to those economic activities which are concerned with the production, purchase and sale of goods or supply of services with the main object to earn profit. So here the meaning is, we doing business for what? For what we doing the business? That means we doing the business to earn profit. So it is, and the example of business may be fishing, or maybe farming, or maybe it is related to manufacturing, or you can say that here you can do the online businesses. Okay, or maybe you can do the offline businesses. So here it is all about the business, and we can discuss its characteristics in our next class. Thank you.